Welcome, everyone. I'm your host, and today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: passive income streams, creating financial security for the future. In this video, we will explore various passive income ideas that can help you achieve long-term financial security. Whether you're new to passive income or looking to diversify your portfolio, this video is packed with valuable insights. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to dive deep into the world of financial freedom. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Segment 1: Understanding Passive Income. Let's start our journey into the world of passive income by taking a deep dive into what it truly means and why it's such a critical component of financial security. This segment will serve as the cornerstone for our entire discussion today. What is passive income? First things first, what exactly is passive income? Passive income refers to money you earn regularly with minimal effort or active involvement. Unlike a traditional 9-to-5 job, where you exchange your time for a paycheck, passive income allows your money to work for you, creating a sustainable stream of revenue without constant hands-on management. To understand passive income better, let's contrast it with active income, which is the type of earnings most people are familiar with. Active income is the money you earn through your job, business, or any effort that requires your direct participation. Passive income, on the other hand, doesn't demand your continuous time and effort. It's money earned while you sleep, travel, or simply go about your daily life. It's the income that keeps flowing in, whether you're actively working or not. Segment 2: Dividend Stocks. In this segment, we're going to take a deep dive into one of the classic and time-tested sources of passive income: dividend stocks. We'll not only explain what dividend stocks are but also delve into how to choose the right ones and uncover the incredible power of compounding returns. So, let's get started on the path to financial security. Understanding dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends are typically paid on a regular basis, often quarterly, and are one of the ways companies reward their investors for holding their stock. Now, let's talk about the true magic of dividend stocks: compounding returns. When you reinvest your dividends back into the same stock or other investments, you start earning returns on your returns. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth in your passive income. Imagine you own dividend stocks in a solid company. Each year, they pay you dividends, and you reinvest those dividends to buy more shares. As the number of shares you own increases, so do your dividends. This cycle continues, and before you know it, your passive income starts to grow significantly. Segment 3: Real Estate Investments. In this segment, we're going to explore one of the most enduring and lucrative paths to passive income: real estate investments. We'll delve deep into the world of real estate, discussing rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and other related income streams. By the end of this segment, you'll have a solid grasp of how to get started in real estate and valuable tips for success in this dynamic market. Why real estate? First things first, why is real estate such an attractive option for passive income? Steady cash flow. Rental properties provide a consistent stream of rental income, often on a monthly basis, which can serve as a reliable source of passive income. Appreciation. Real estate often appreciates in value over time, potentially increasing the overall return on your investment. Leverage. Real estate allows you to leverage your investment by using financing options, such as mortgages, to purchase properties. This can amplify your returns. Tax benefits. Real estate investments come with various tax advantages, including deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. Beyond traditional rental properties and REITs, there are other real estate-related income streams, such as real estate crowdfunding, real estate partnerships, and real estate notes. These options can offer diversification and flexibility in your real estate investment. Segment 4: Online Businesses. In this segment, we're venturing into the exciting realm of online businesses, where the digital age has opened up a vast landscape of opportunities for generating passive income. We'll explore various avenues, including affiliate marketing, dropshipping, blogging, and more. Plus, we'll equip you with practical tips and strategies for launching your own online venture successfully. Let's dive in. The rise of online businesses. The internet has transformed the way we work and do business. Online businesses have become a powerhouse for generating passive income for several compelling reasons. Global reach. Online businesses can reach a global audience, allowing you to tap into a much larger market than a traditional brick-and-mortar store. Low overheads. Many online business models have minimal startup costs and low overhead, making them accessible to aspiring entrepreneurs. Automation. Automation tools and technology can handle many aspects of online businesses, reducing the need for constant hands-on management. Online businesses offer incredible potential for generating passive income, but success requires dedication, learning, and adaptation. Whether you're interested in affiliate marketing, dropshipping, blogging, or other online ventures, remember that consistency and persistence are key to building a thriving online business. Segment 5. Passive Income Mindset. We've explored various avenues for creating passive income, from dividend stocks to real estate investments and online businesses. However, it's crucial to understand that passive income isn't solely about the investments themselves, it's equally about cultivating the right mindset. In this segment, we'll dive deep into the importance of a passive income mindset and how qualities like financial discipline, patience, and continuous learning can pave the way for your long-term financial security. The mindset of financial discipline. Let's begin by discussing the cornerstone of a successful passive income journey, financial discipline. Here are some key aspects to consider. Budgeting. Develop a clear budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. Stick to it consistently to ensure that you're saving and investing a portion of your income. Delayed gratification. The ability to delay immediate wants for long-term financial gains is vital. Avoid unnecessary impulse purchases that could detract from your savings and investment goals. Emergency funds. Maintain an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Having this financial cushion provides peace of mind and prevents you from dipping into your passive income investments during emergencies. Debt management. Manage your debts effectively. High-interest debts can erode your passive income gains, so consider paying down debts before aggressively investing. In summary, a passive income mindset is not just about what you do with your money, it's about how you think about your financial future. By embracing financial discipline, practicing patience, and committing to continuous learning and adaptation, you'll be well equipped to create and sustain the passive income streams that can provide you with long-term financial security. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the path to financial security begins with the first step. So, take action, stay focused, and watch your passive income streams grow.